Welcome to Apex Anatomy. In this video, we will be demonstrating a brief overview of the functionality within the app. Let's explore its features and see how the app can be used to enhance your learning, teaching, and demonstrating experiences. To start, anatomical structures can be selected by left-clicking the structure of interest. Multiple structures may be selected or deselected by simultaneously holding down the Shift key. Double-clicking swiftly focuses on your selected structure, bringing it into the center of the viewing area. Navigate around the model by holding down the right mouse button to pan left, right, and up and down. By holding the Shift key, you can also move forward and backward. Holding down the middle mouse button allows you to rotate around the model for a complete 360-degree perspective. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in for detail or zoom out for context. For more precise navigation, or when a handheld mouse is unavailable, the on-screen control buttons allow you to maneuver the scene with accuracy. These camera controls can be toggled in the Tools panel. Further personalize your experience by adjusting other viewport settings, including background color, light brightness, and environmental elements such as directional planes. You can also choose to always hide the skin on startup of the app. Specific systems or regions can be selected, hidden, or shown by using the system of buttons and checkboxes. Clicking on the text selects all relevant structures, whilst the checkboxes hide or display those structures. Targeted selection of the left, right, or midline structures can be achieved using the rounded checkboxes next to each system. Anatomy can be separated out to either the right or left of the animal by clicking on the buttons at the bottom of the screen, and male and female anatomy can be toggled by selecting the checkboxes in the top right of the panel. At any point, clicking on Reset quickly returns you to the original view. The Quick Selection panel provides an alternative means of selection and control over structures. Pinpoint the exact system, region, and side of the body that you want to add to your selection, reveal or hide from the viewing area. The search bar can also be used to find specific individual structures which can then be isolated for an unobstructed view. Whenever a structure is selected, opening the information panel will reveal in-depth anatomical annotations which describe and provide insight into the function and anatomical significance of the last selected structure. Apex Anatomy has been designed with a variety of tools to create striking and memorable scenes for demonstration, presentation, or revision. Aside from hiding or making structures transparent, each structure may be colorized, and tags, labels, or notes may also be added. Once you have created your scene, save it into the Scenes catalog for quick reference for revision or demonstration. Quick diagrams and notes can be made on top of the scene by using the tools in the annotation menu, which can then be saved as screenshots for future reference. Apart from all the viewing and scene creation options, there are a variety of different quiz types, which can further help to tailor the learning and revision experience with instant feedback and tracking of your progress. If you would like to dive deeper into more advanced features, then watch our other videos specific to creating informative and eye-catching scenes, or learn how to get the most out of the quizzes and other tools. We hope this has helped you to find your feet and get started with the app. Look out for more content as we continue to build and develop this amazing tool. Apex Anatomy. See the unseen.